Hello everyone, I am Shubham. Welcome back to my channel. Before starting with this, those who have not subscribed my channel yet, I request you to subscribe it and press the bell icon. So coming to my video, in this video I am going to explain how to use internet or make incoming and outgoing calls active when airplane mode is turned on. So let's begin. First we will turn on the mobile data. Then now we are ready to use the internet. We will use it. Click on Google search. Search something. So it's showing the required results. So now let's try for calling. If we call now, we are able to make the outgoing call. So now let's come to our main topic. Here I am going to tell how we can use the internet or calls when we turn on the airplane mode. So now turn on the airplane mode. Now it's on. After turning on the airplane mode, the mobile data and hotspot is disabled here. And also we are not able to see the range of our SIM. We are able to see the airplane sign here, indicates the airplane mode is active. It is in status bar. We are able to see this airplane sign. So now let's try using internet or making outgoing call when airplane mode is active. Now let's search on Google. Now it's showing the result is flight mode is on because it's active. Let's try calling. Even here we are not able to make an outgoing call. It's showing turn off airplane mode to make the call. So because airplane mode is on, we are not able to use the mobile data or make any call. So the main topic of the video is how to use internet or make calls when airplane mode is on. But we tried using or calling when airplane mode is on, but it isn't working. So for doing this, I have a trick. By that we can use internet or make outgoing calls when airplane mode is on. Now we'll show it. Let the airplane mode be on as it is. So now everything is disabled. Mobile data and hotspot are disabled as we tried it before. Go to the call dialer pad. Now we'll type a code. Please watch it carefully. So the code is *#* 4636 ###. After dialing this code, it appears like this. So click on the first option, phone information 1. So it opens the info. Then scroll it down and see an option as mobile radio power, which is off. Please turn it on. It's on now. After turning it on, in status bar it is able to show the internet speed. So now we are ready to use the internet when airplane mode is on. Airplane mode is on here because the sign in the status bar is active of airplane mode. So now you can go to Google and search anything. It shows the required result in spite of airplane mode is on. Also, let's try making the outgoing call which we were not able to call when airplane mode was on. So go here and call. So we are able to call now. That is, we are able to call even when airplane mode is active. So now we are able to use the internet or make call when airplane mode is active because of the code which we have dialed. So this was a small trick that we can use mobile data and make incoming call or outgoing call by dialing that code when airplane mode is active. So I hope you guys enjoyed this trick. Please viewers, I request you to try this trick once. So if you like this video, please like my video and share this guys, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. See you guys in next video.